Hello CoolCrafters, welcome to my YouTube channel, Maybe it's CoolCraft. Today I'm going to show you how I made this cute Stray Kids Hyunjin plush doll from their 2020 comeback single God's Menu. Are you guys interested? Let's get started! So for this plush, I used felt fabric for all part of the plush including the outfit. And to glue the eyes, I use regular paper stick glue. And to draw the face, I use a fabric temporary marker. And as usual, I always glue a white felt fabric under the face, so it's easier for me to sew the face and avoid the material for being wrinkled. I sew the face with backstitch techniques, and you can also check out my other videos if you want to know how I embroider the face by hand or by sewing machine. I'll put the link on the description below. For this stitching, I use 4 layers of thread to make it thicker. And then I cut the excess of the fabric that I don't need, so I can sew the head easier. I use backstitch as well to sew all the parts. Before I turn it inside out, I cut the edges of the fabric because the character of the felt fabric is a bit stiff. I stuffed the plush with polyester fiber, or you can use other plush stuffings. I'll put the link where you can find all plush materials that I use on this video description below. And then I use leather stitch to attach the head to the body. For this plush doll, I just glue the ears to the head, but you can also sew them if you want to using leather stitch. And I also sew the hair to the back of the head with leather stitch. For his clothes, I use felt fabric as well, and I sew them with backstitch too. If you want this outfit to be detachable, you can use Velcro instead of using glue. Okay, so here it is, the final result of Stray Kids Hyunjin plush doll. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to check the description below if you want to get the pattern. Thanks for watching, and happy sewing!